Hey guys, Disney Hello here. Happy Valentine's Day. Today we're going to use this Play-Doh Belle's Magical Tea Party set, and we're going to make some cookies and tea to have a party with Minnie Mouse and Princess Bear. Here we have a pretty playmat, a little plate with molds, pink Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh. Hi Chip. Mrs. Teapot, and a little knife. Let's make some tea. We'll need lots of cookies for the party. Now the best part is to decorate the cookies. So pretty. Wow, look at all the cookies we've made. Hey Minnie Mouse, what color cookies would you like? Would you like a yellow one? Here you go, Minnie Mouse. Yummy. Princess Bear, what color cookies would you like? Would you like a pink cookie to match your dress? Here you go. Yum, yum. Minnie Mouse, I think this party is going really well, don't you think? Yes, I do. But we still got so much cookies. How are we gonna finish it all?
Hiya! Me smell cookies!
Well, Cookie Monster, you sure came at the right time. We sure need help finishing these cookies.
Nom, nom, nom. Thank you! Nom, 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 nom. Yummy! Nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom, nom. Excuse me! Nom, 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 nom. Scrumptious! Yeah! Okay! Oh, yeah! Okay! Yeah! Nom, nom, nom. Oh boy! Missed off!
I say that was a great Valentine's Day party. Well, Cookie Monster, you sure helped us clear the table. All the cookies are gone. And you ate the dishes too.
Cowabunga!
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Minnie Mouse, Cookie Monster, and Princesses right here on Disney Hello. Happy Valentine's Day!